Okay, so just want to do an update video in terms of what's going on. So currently let's look at EU. EU sold aggressively and broke this structure support. Okay, right here. Okay, we had a lower close. But if we look at the 15 minutes, okay, in 15 minutes, this bearish candle, okay, closed within structure. And in the next candle, which is the prior 15 minutes, okay, if you were to take, let's say, impulse entries, you would have been filled on that trade. For example, at 1741, you'd have executed shorts, which then you'd have had stop loss of about 4 or 5 pips, but the gain would have been about 10. Okay, so you'd have made your money on that trade as an impulse entry. Okay, now for me, how I'm playing this, I'm just waiting for a pullback, okay, to near-term resistance. Then I want to see price rejecting this level. Then I'll take some sells on EU. Okay, so yeah, it's one of those things. It's either you can get in early, okay, I would have gotten in early, but I don't highly recommend impulse entries. Depends though, in terms of which areas we are in the markets, but they are more of an advanced way of entering the markets, you know. But for me, I'm more of a conservative trader. I'm just waiting for price to come back to test resistance, to reject the zone, just to give me confirmation. Then I'd actually sell Euro USD. Now, what I'm looking for on GJ, on the 15-minute for entries, I'm looking for this current candle to close bearish, so to close below this bullish candle. Then I'm looking to sell. But my targets here are pretty down, so I'll probably look at targets all the way down to 138.562s. If we can get there, then I have my stop loss above structure level over here, which is, I believe, the safe space for stop losses, okay, above or below structure levels. So we'll just have to see. So I'm watching this very, very closely in the next 15 minutes. So only got like 10 minutes to go. Then I will see how this closes. So if it closes bearish, I'm gonna take a short entry, about 7 or so pips. Target ones would be somewhere here. Okay, at 138.653, but the target twos, I'm gonna shoot it all the way down to this level, 11 pips. So I'll see, but it's going in my direction though at this point. So I think that's the only trade I have in mind right now that is in line with my plan, because one, we had a break of structure supports. We had a pullback, which is this one candle. Then the next candle, I wanted to give me a lower close of the previous candle, giving me a sense of a continuation to the downside. You know, it looks something like this. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, target one's probably somewhere here. Then we go down, target two somewhere down here. That's where I'm at with GJ at this stage.